Hello, I'm coming to you from a brand new real estate listing just outside of Grangeville. We're only about a 2-minute drive to the city limits. It's a beautiful property. It's about 8 acres. A lot of it is currently in some pretty nice hay ground, but this is a really nice prefab home. And then stay to the end of this video because we've got a couple of other features of this property that you're gonna love, I guarantee it. My name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate. Please come in and take a look at this house. First, we're gonna walk into the living room. As you can see, it's nice and big. High ceilings. If you're a sportsman and have trophy mounts, there's plenty of room in here for them. Real quick, we're gonna walk into the master bedroom now. I'd like to point out that this is a king-size bed, and these are big dressers, and so there's plenty of room in here for you and all your furniture. Of course, right over here we have a very nice walk-in closet. Has the shelves built in, place to hang your clothes. And then now we're going into the master bath. We have the dual vanities here, and then right over here is a nice soaker tub, and it has that really cool outdoor paint job on it. And then right behind you is the walk-in shower. Now we can come this way. I'm gonna show off the mudroom here. This comes in right out of the garage. Washer and dryer, somewhere to put all your shoes, hang up your coats. And then this will bring you right into the kitchen. Really beautiful cabinets here. Very nice, has an excellent view of the backyard, which I'm going to take you out there in a few minutes. I know you're going to love this backyard. Has a nice breakfast bar right here and a formal dining room. Didn't mention, but there is a fireplace there in the family room. We're going to bring you into the second bedroom. And again, this is a very spacious room. Nice big closet as well. Really is a nice room, really good sized. And then we can take you into the second bathroom. Of course, it has shower tub. Very nice. And then this is bedroom number 3. They're currently using it as an office, but there is a closet in here, so it definitely could be used as a bedroom. Now let's go out into the backyard and check it out. So here's the backyard. We got this big deck here. It's composite decking. We have the hot tub, which is staying here with the property. You got the fire pit out here, beautiful landscaping, no neighbors close by. Really is a beautiful backyard to come entertain with, or just come out here and just enjoy the quiet of North Central Idaho. So this is a way oversized 2-car garage. Has the wood stove sitting right here in the center. You can keep it warm, it's nice and insulated. It's built on and attached to the prefab home, and it really is just an excellent site. Of course, they're currently not using it so much as a garage, but of course you easily could pull in 2 vehicles and easily have plenty of room to walk around them. Lots of storage available here. Now let's go out to the shop. And here it is, the biggest selling point of this property. This is a big, big shop. It's 60 by 100 with another 24 feet under the lean-to. Come on in and check this out. Fully concreted, insulated, heated with wood fire. This shop is incredible. There's no other way to put it. Come in here, take a look. Ladies, don't quit on the video. I got something for you too coming up right after this. But this shop is just unbelievable. My seller owned a trucking company. He could get his semis in here. There's plenty of room for everything you own now or ever will own right here inside of this shop. Wanted to show you real quick too. Again, 24 feet by 100 feet. Undercover storage, and right up here you can see he put a glulam beam spanning here and down there a little bit further, so we got rid of some of the poles, so you got plenty of room to move in your large objects under the cover here. And then also we're going to span this direction, and I want to show you the amount of covered graveled parking you have here is incredible. Again, they had a trucking company, so they're getting semis in and out of here, parking them. Plenty of room to park everything you own. Now let's go check out the chicken coop. So there's plenty of things I can highlight on this video, but this is probably going to be the last one. But this is the chicken coop, and to call it a chicken coop is a disservice. This is absolutely incredible. Come check this out. Got the heater in there, electricity, lights so that you continue to get eggs during the winter. These chickens are living high on the hog, and look at the yard they have. Nice and big. They even have a duck in here. Water, there is sunshade. This thing is predator proof. So if you have any interest in this property, please give me a call. I'd love to bring you out here and show you around. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.